In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate reCAPTCHA into your WordPress forms. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just getting started, ensuring your forms are safe from spam and bots is crucial. Let's walk through the process step by step and make sure your site remains secure and user-friendly. First, we need to install WP Forms, which is a powerful and popular form builder plugin for WordPress. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, you'll want to locate the Plugins menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see an option called Add New. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page with various plugin options. In the search bar, type WP Forms. This should bring up the WP Forms plugin, and you'll see a button labeled Install Now. Click on that button, and once the plugin is installed, you'll need to activate it by clicking on the Activate button. Activation makes sure that the plugin is ready and functioning on your site. Now that WP Forms is installed and activated, let's proceed to set it up with reCAPTCHA. Navigate to WP Forms in your dashboard, and you'll find an option under it labeled Settings. Click on this to open the Settings page. Within the settings, you'll notice several tabs that give you different configuration options. Find and click on the tab labeled reCAPTCHA. This is where you'll be connecting your forms with Google's reCAPTCHA service. The next step involves choosing the version of reCAPTCHA you prefer. Google offers different versions, such as reCAPTCHA v2, which requires users to click a checkbox, or reCAPTCHA v3, which runs in the background. Choose the version that fits your needs best. If you're unsure, reCAPTCHA v2 is a popular choice for its balance between usability and security. At this point, you need to enter your reCAPTCHA keys. Open a new tab and visit Google's reCAPTCHA admin console. Here, you'll register your website if you haven't yet, and Google will provide you with two keys, a site key and a secret key. Copy these keys carefully. Return to the WP Forms Settings tab, where there are designated fields for each of these keys. Paste the site key into the site key field and the secret key into the secret key field. It's important to ensure there are no extra spaces before or after the keys to avoid any issues. Once you've entered the keys, all that's left to do is save your settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Settings button. This final step confirms all the settings you've configured and activates reCAPTCHA for your forms. And that's it. You've successfully integrated reCAPTCHA into your WordPress forms, helping to keep your site secure from pesky spam bots. Now, you can create new forms with WP Forms, confident that reCAPTCHA has got your back. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your WordPress site.